According to the World Health Organization, work-related stress is considered one of the most common health problems. Self-stress tracking at work is an essential aspect of stress management and is often the first step to improving mental health and personal well-being. Although there are many methods to track stress, systems for managing stress is yet to be explored. As a solution, we present StressShoe, a DIY toolkit for just-in-time personalized stress interventions for office workers performing sedentary tasks. We adapted a method to track stress, based on foot posture and motion characteristics by using an off-the-shelf IMU sensor tag, connected with a companion mobile app. A focus group study and a pilot study inform the mobile interface design for stress tracking and personalized stress interventions. After connecting, the sensor needs to be calibrated. Then users can select the stress level and the logic of the condition to trigger an intervention. Finally, interventions can be selected. Users also can define interventions to control the sitting time. It also provides the option to connect with the IFTTT platform, enabling users to create many custom interventions. Moreover, for self-stress awareness, a visualization of daily stress log is also provided. To demonstrate the benefits of our system, we evaluated StressShoe with 10 users over 4 weeks. They were provided an IMU with 4 enclosures, which enables attaching the IMU to shoe in different ways. Users created personalized interventions and found that StressShoe is easy to use and helped them reflect on their daily stressful experiences. Some of the example applications they created are: changing wallpaper to control the ambient environment, turning on relaxing music to create distractions.
Does it make you dance when you're drunk with your friends at a party? What's your favorite song? Does it make you smile? Do you think of me?
Setting reminders for new routines like having a coffee break, or notifications for self-motivation. Users found that setting reminders for new routines are one of their most preferred intervention methods. For more information, please refer to our paper.